tonight's autopsy tiger shark. See what we got.
Let's see what we got here.
Maybe that's babies. It's a gale.
Yeah.
Super big. These tiger sharks are very dangerous.
Very dangerous, is
They
right.
get super massive.
Yep.
Be careful, guys.
Let's see what we got.
They're dangerous.
Huge.
Yeah.
Yeah, big livers.
So big. So big. God. Maybe it has babies. Let's see. We don't know yet.
Okay, let's see what we got.
That's so big.
Big liver, that's for sure.
God, big stomach. What's your
Here's
babies?
your stomach.
Your babies.
We don't know yet. We don't know yet. Let's get rid of the liver here. Big liver. Hold on.
Hope it's not a person.
A person?
Yeah.
Whoa. Look at that liver, huh?
I hope it's not a person. Hope it's not a person. Do something in the stomach. Maybe don't. I think it's not fattening. I think it's not fattening.
What do we got here? More liver. Okay.
Throw that. Let's see what's in the stomach. What's in the stomach here? That's
Where's
so
your
big.
catfish friends?
They're trying to eat. They're eating the river. The river. See what we got. Please don't be a person.
Don't be a person.
No. I don't want nobody to get eaten.
Oh. What's in there? Let's see what.
Oh,
Oh,
egg. Oh.
nope. You know what that is? Look at that.
Turtle.
Yeah, there you go. See? There, look at that.
Oh.
See that?
boy.
Look at that.
Oh.
Look at that, baby turtle. See that? Look. That's what they eat. See?
I think there's more.
Hey.
But that's it?
I'll go in here and check it out. Let's see what we got here.
There's something.
Oh, there's more stuff in here. I feel it.
Me too.
Let's see what we got.
Me too. I feel it too. Wait.
Let's see.
That's a turtle. Turtle. Oh my god. What is
More
it?
turtle stuff in there?
Yeah, maybe more turtles. Guess there's no babies.
No, she's not big enough yet.
Oh.
Okay.
Tiger sharks are so big. Like bigger than that one?
Keep going. Let's see what we got in there. Here's a turtle. Get that
Yeah.
turtle over here. There we go. There's more turtles in there, I think.
Big.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
So tough. Look at the base feel on here. I gotta open this one.
I'm feeling around here. Hold on.
Get that one. Get the other one. See. Oh,
Uh-oh.
oh. Bonita.
Whoa.
Oh, bonita. That's our shark bait. The shark bait. He swallowed it like
That's
how?
the bait right there.
That's our
Hold on.
shark bait. Whoa, so big.
Yeah, that's the bait.
He swallowed the whole thing. Ow.
Yep, hold on. That's the bait.
Ow.
That's the wire. Hold on. Let's see what we got here. Let's see.
Ow.
Ow, ow. I
What
still
the-
feel something in there. There's the wire.
Uh-oh. Oh, a turtle.
Let's see.
A turtle. There's a turtle here.
I thought I dug some more turtles in there.
What? Oh, a bonita. He swallowed it?
Yep.
Like how? So big, that's why. Why put it there, Daddy?
Here.
Wow. So big.
What else is in there?
Oh, the turtle.
No more turtles?
There's only one.
Check it out, Croc. Anything else in there?